Today we're going to give you a tour of our 217 square foot tiny house. Come check it out. One unique thing about our tiny house is that our bedroom is on the ground floor, as you can see. We built it so we have some storage underneath and then a little closet, mostly just a bar that hangs and we can hang clothes on it. We have a nice big window and lots of outlets.
So this is our living room. We built this spot specifically for a couch. It'll fit right in there perfectly and no wasted space. Also have the TV that's mounted. Then it pulls down when you're ready to use, and then when you're done you just push it back up and voila, you're good to go. I have a work desk right here. This is where I do all my editing and whatnot, and it's a really nice space and I enjoy working there. So this is our kitchen. This is probably our most used place in the house. Got a lot of counter space to prep food on, which is nice. It's actually probably bigger than our house, how much space we have in here. We have a full-size range, which we really like.
We have an apartment-sized refrigerator, which seems like it'd be small, but we can still shop at Costco.
So this is our bathroom. We actually have a lot packed in here. We've got a shower, toilet, sink, and washer and dryer unit.
And my vanity.
So we got our washer and dryer, which is nice. It's a 2-in-1 combo, so it takes up a lot less space than a regular washer and dryer unit. Then we have our corner toilet, which is something unique and something really cool that we found. I think it really makes the bathroom feel a lot bigger than it actually is.
So we have two different lofts in our house, one with the stair step to go up top and one over above the bedroom with just kind of a ladder that's fixed on the wall. We have a nice good handhold. It'll catch you on the way up and down. Storage can be kind of tricky in a tiny house, so we took any chance we could to make a secret little cubby. So we have this nice little one up here where I have some of my dry goods. It's kind of my pantry, so make everything count. So we were about a year without a washer and dryer of our own, so it was super exciting to get ours. Like Zach said, it is a 2-in-1, so I can start a load. It takes about 2.5 hours, but once it's done, the whole thing is done. I don't have to remember to move it over anything. I have this little cubby here to store my laundry soap and any other little extra cleaning things I need. And then down here I have cat food and just some extra laundry things and just some extra storage that is very useful.
So this is our, what was I talking about? Come on in.
Welcome.
That's great.
So creepy. Best day.